Hello and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2018 Seat Alhambra 2 litre TDI Ecomotive 7-seater in white. It has done 51,000 miles since new, has had one owner and comes with a full service history. Features include front and rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control with air conditioning and Bluetooth connectivity. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.